MCE ma whole central Raboson divine and a day to Yachimo say assembly no baby operation be na operation in your say operation sell in front of your shop and tra whole central market no konko di your baby shop demo and a didra sabe ye kwan mu betie ashanka fo benya won kwan wona nam kwan ho benya kwan afa omoye ne sa wo gidie se kuro mu bete Adom Kasee etwaso
Mensiri krachi ya wo ho central ora boys and divine e dia betu dwa se wo be ya operation sell in your shop se be ya wo mo free won suto mo abetena montene wo no wo didwa no wo be gyan no bia akodan ne mu biem ye nti edwadifo a wo mo ewo ho central market ayo ye kire ya wo di tia Mensiri krachi ene assembly mpanimfo bi esanse wagigi sika e di free omanfo ho no mu a sika no won hunu se de esi ekọ ene de wode ye e wo edwane mu wagina we so de nkrata akwakoto ho municipal assembly coordinating director enim ebra wode nkrata na ekọ ena edwadifo hima ma me Joyce novi hoho e de sansemi etudwa
MCE madami a hosi menyan wago
enwachi edwadifo ebi so e kire won mo adwene e wo sansemi ehu
so ko de wonum no apata bia ni ho ye be sisan ba na ye be kwa kwan so ba ye fa ye ba de ba se o mo to entity aye ya asem no se o mo fa ye ba de dan no amaye na ye di ye ba de ba
Nenso woni nyina mu no Adom Kasee bo Mensiri krachi owura boson divine na oni ye twetwe nkomo editu dwa se oni ne mrantie e be share operation sell in your shops ase se be ye adwadifo e betena won soto mu no ma monten e memeton eniema biem.
But there are some people who may not have money to pay for shop and they can sell at the open or on the open. And you extended your goods from your shop to cover the open, which should be given to somebody else. You think we should leave you free? No, we should look into this thing. Go to the market, and I'm putting it on record. From next week, another operation will begin.